Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use NoteGPT.io. First of all, head over to NoteGPT.io website and then you have to sign in with your account. You can also sign in with your Google account as well. Now once you're signed in, you will see this kind of dashboard, your interface, where you will be able to see AI YouTube, AI Transcriber, Summarizer, Voices, Images, etc. If I click on the Video Summarizer, it is asking me to paste a YouTube video link and click on Generate a Summary. Now, what it will do, it will create a short summary of the video. As you can see, it is extracting the content. It has given me a clean and understandable summary of the Grand Theft Auto 6 trailer. It is giving me the key insights, each and everything. You can also click on AI Chat and ask anything about the video. For instance, if I ask, does this video tell us about the release date? As you can see, it has given me an answer. The video does not mention or indicate any specific release date. So this is correct. You can also click on the subtitles to get all the subtitles of that video. As you can see, it has given me subtitles along with the timestamps. I can download the TXT with timestamps, without timestamps, SRT file with and without timestamps. And you can click on chapter to divide the whole video into different chapters with given titles. Secondly, we have AI Transcriber. You can select YouTube video to text, which we have just seen. You can also click on video to text. You can upload your own video and transcribe that video into text. You can also transcribe audio to text and speech to text. You have already seen the YouTube Summarizer, and then we have PDF Summarizer, PPT Summarizer, Image Summarizer, Video Summarizer, which is similar to the YouTube. You can audio, book, and article Summarizer. And that's simply how you can use NoteGPT.io. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.